Hello everyone, thank you for watching the video guidance of Special Pi new version timer M1A2 Plus. Firstly, turn it on and off. Long press for 3 seconds to turn it on. And then press the left button, also the green button, to start timing. That's easy, just press the left button, the green button, to start timing. And then press the red button here to stop timing. And you can also press the red button to review every shot. There is split time here, you can also check. And then comes to the function of these 4 buttons for fast setting. Firstly, we check the setting. Here, long press for 3 seconds. Here we can set the beep volume. This HF means high frequency because we add the low frequency here for hearing loss shooter, so they can hear. And also we have a silent mode for individual shooting training at home, not disturbing others. And then comes to the high frequency mode. The biggest volume is high frequency 3 level. Right part, we have the sensitivity here. The default setting is 5 for 9mm caliber. And if you use LR22, you can set it to 6. And also we have 7 for airsoft shooting. And we add the new level of 9 for dry fire training. In this sensitivity level, it can pick up the sound of the trigger. And if for rifle, for shotgun, you can try to set it to 4. Okay, here comes to the history short strings checking here. Long press this button. And then here, number 2 means the second string of shots. Press the red button to check number 1 short string. And then you can also press the red button to check every shot in this string. Number 2. And if you want to exit, same, long press this history check button. Then we choose no in this way to go back. And also for the minus button and the plus button, except for adding value, it also has other functions, like if we long press the minus button, it will start the walkthrough mode, like this. And long press the plus button to turn on the palm mode, like this. Fast turning it on and turn it off. Okay, here comes to the more setting. Long press the right button to enter the other function setting. Firstly, we learn the icon here. For this one, the back button is for back function, back to previous page. And for this, the tick icon with a line here means long press to choose, like this. Long press this to choose palm mode. And also for this page down icon, it's for move to the next option. And for this one, this is the downward sloping arrow icon. This option still have a sub-menu, like this. This short line means long press to enter the sub-menu, like this. Long press the mode choice. Okay, we go back to the first delay mode. In delay, you can choose instant start timing or after a random time. And we can choose, like this. Long press the left button to choose the random mode. We can check, okay? it will count down 3 seconds. And another. Okay, and then comes to the fixed. Fixed is for countdown for 3 seconds every time. And for customized, you can set 1 second to 10 seconds for countdown. Max to 10 seconds. And if you want to use this, customized also need to long press to choose. Then when you go back, it will show it's custom and 1 second countdown. Okay, we go back to PA mode. PA mode is for self-practice, and we long press the PA option to enter. We can set the time and the cycle. The time means the time you need for the drill. Like if we set it to 2 seconds for the drill, and then we can set how many rounds you want to practice. Like I can set 3 cycles, and then we go back and choose PA mode. Okay, choose it and go back. Okay, like this. Okay, normally speaking, the PA mode will work with the delay mode, like the random or the fixed, so that you can have time to prepare for the drill. Okay, then as we know, we can also long press the plus button to turn off the PA mode, or we go back. Here, with this icon, and we can also long press to unchoose the option. And then comes to the mode, long press the option to enter to choose. And this shot timer not only the timer for firearm shooting, but also it can be used as a stopwatch. You can choose this function, then we go back. See, this is the icon for stopwatch mode. You can, like this, just use it as a normal stopwatch. And then go back. It can also, we can set the walkthrough time or countdown time you need here. Long press the option, enter for setting. For example, we set it for 70 seconds countdown. In minute, we set it as 1 minute. That means 60 seconds. Then we go to the second. Okay, here is 10 seconds. We can also use the minus and the plus button to adjust. Okay, total is 70 seconds. Then we go back home page and long press the minus button to start countdown. And the timer will beep 3 times when it hits the last 60 seconds to remind. And then it will have a long beep for ending the timing. This walkthrough mode is for the walking through before the competition of a stage. Then we go to the system setting here. Long press the right button. Here we can set the language you need. Now the timer supports English, French, Portuguese, Spanish, Russian, and German, and also Japanese. Later, we will also add Italian and Thai language in. And then comes to the eco mode. Eco mode is for setting the timer shut down automatically after no use for a certain time. Like this, customized. We can set it like if no use for 20 minutes, it will turn off automatically. And if it's in normal then the timer will never turn off automatically until you press the turn off button by yourself. Okay, comes to the RFID. This option is only for the wireless timer that can connect to the LED big score display or can connect to the stop target. And the timer is for the RFID for the timer itself. And the LED display means the LED score display. And stop target. This function is only for the Action L timing system. And comes to the Bluetooth. Here you can know the code of the Bluetooth of this timer, but this code is not for pairing, but only for identify the timer. Okay, here is the basic operation guidance for the new version timer M1A2 Plus. Thank you for the patience to watch the video. And if you meet any problems in using the short timer, welcome to contact us. Thank you again for choosing Special Pi Short Timer.